Hey guys, it's Crocodile123. Today we are going to be making snowflake foam. So let's get started.
Okay, so we have got our bowl. All we need to do now is add 2 cups and a quarter of snowflakes. Then we need to add all of our water. Then we'll mix until it becomes a thick mixture, and then we're going to be ready to play with our slime.
Now we've got to add our snowflakes into our cup.
Oh no, I just spilled it. Okay, so this will probably be enough. That's what it looks like. They're just like flakes. Now we need our quarter cup. We'll add that in.
Now we have to add kettle water.
So we have to add the whole thing in. And if it's too runny, then we'll add some more snowflakes. So now we've got to mix. Okay, so we have finished our soap flake mixture. We are going to be adding some yellow paint, some bronze paint, some blue paint and green paint just to make it more fun. Also some turquoise glitter because who doesn't love glitter? So we'll give that a mix and then we'll show you the finished product. Okay, so we've mixed all the paint in and it looks really nice. So we're going to show you what it looks like and try and explain what it feels like, and then we'll end off today's video. As you can see, it's a really nice consistency. It stretches like slime, but it's really sticky and it doesn't exactly work the same as slime, but it's amazing to play with. I definitely recommend it, and yeah.
So that does bring us to the end of today's video. If you liked it, make sure you leave a like and subscribe.